Guys, today we're going to be doing top 10 best adaptations of fish. Let's get right into it. So, coming in at number 10, we have the clownfish. Wow. You might be thinking, why did I choose the clownfish? Well, the clownfish is the only fish in the world which is able to live with anemones, can touch it. Because anemones usually sting fish, but the clownfish, they're the exception because clownfish have a special mucus on their skin which allows them to touch the anemone. This is a mutually beneficial relationship because it helps the clownfish and the anemone. Coming at number 9, we have the flounder. With its flat body, 2 eyes on one side and a fin on one side, it is a very weird alien-like fish. And don't get mistaken by them. They are great hunters. They hide in the sand and are able to pick up anything they want. Their favorite foods are shrimp and other crustaceans, and even small fish. Coming in at number 8, we have the mud skipper. Now, the mud skipper is special because it's one of the only fish which can live in air and breathe air. It's also able to walk and even jump. And it's the only fish that I know of that can literally blink. They live in holes that they dig themselves, and they jump to attract mates. Now, on number 7, we have the only flying fish. You got it, the flying fish. The flying fish is the only fish which can literally fly or glide. It uses its tail to propel itself out of the water, then uses 2 wings, mainly the front one, which is the bigger one, to fly, and the second one to steer. It tilts the wing to steer. They use it to avoid predators like mahi-mahi, dolphins, and tuna. This is a very important adaptation they use to evade predators, and they are found in the entire Indo-Pacific region. They can glide for short distances and are known for avoiding some of the hardest predators. Coming in at number 6, we have the seahorse. The reason I chose the seahorse is because the seahorse is the only animal, along with pipefish, where the males do the breeding, give birth, not the females. The female lays the eggs into the male's pouch, and then the male gives birth to the babies. They can also change their skin color, and some seahorses are found extremely deep, which makes them extremely cool. They are slow-moving animals and can be found from extremely small sizes to big. Now, coming in at number 5, we have the payara. The payara is an animal found in the Amazon, which has extremely long teeth and big eyes. You can obviously tell by its dental structure and its big eyes that it is definitely a predator. It has 2 long teeth on the bottom and then shorter ones. And the teeth go into 2 holes at the top of the jaw. Coming in at number 4, we have the sawfish. Now, don't be mistaken. The sawfish is not a shark but a ray because it has its gills on the bottom. It may look very harmful with its long saw. However, it is not harmful, and there have been no recorded attacks that have been purposeful. They eat crustaceans, and dead fish on the bottom of the ocean. But they also breed in rivers. But in most of the world, most of their habitat is gone. Coming in at number 3, we have the electric ray. Now, the electric ray is the only ray which is able to create electricity. It uses these electric volts to protect itself. And coming in at number 2, we have the remora. There are multiple species of remora, and they are special because they have a little sucker on the top of their head, which they use to stick onto turtles, manta rays, and most importantly and the most famously, the sharks. They stick onto sharks because when the shark hunts, they pick up the scraps from the sharks. So coming in at number 1, we have the epaulet shark. Epaulet sharks are amazing sharks which hunt in shallow water. And the special thing about epaulet sharks is they can walk on land. Epaulet sharks can switch off half of their brain to walk in and out of tide pools. This special adaptation allows them to hop from tide pool to tide pool looking for prey, like crabs and shrimp. This is a very common thing to do. And did you know, fun fact, that because of climate change, they are actually able to expand their territory because they have adapted to be in warmer water, but most other sharks are suffering from it. And that is our number 1 concluding our adventure, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Salams.